Oh, guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 16th, 2024. Already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number, this will be number 7814. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. We have double those numbers here. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see 2 single boxes, here box, there box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes, contains the 1 and a 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? Then I see here a triple box. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Well, next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. Here, also a quadra box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? This is the S construction. If you rotate this to the right, you will get the S. But let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. And in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And the next shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it should be a 5 then. Alright, should be a 5. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only 1, I believe. Yeah. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the only place left for 3 in this triple box should be there. Okay, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Okay. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If we place 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadrat box should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be there. This box can be 3, this box can be 5. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for the number 4. Alright. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. Oh wait, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. S construction should be there. So 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well, need to wait. Let me mark those. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. No, I think this box should be 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. This box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Interesting. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. Well. Troubles. Need to wait here. Yeah. Let me go down. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Then. Well, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 3 boxes. Wow, the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 to 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then. These 2 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Then this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. Need a 3 here. Well, this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this area from us 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Okay, the difficult part. I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 5. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 1. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. The final 2 numbers in this area. For numbers 3 and a 1, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well. In a flow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It's a 0 stars because I'm faster than 14 or 13 minutes. Well. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. I have also a playlist for the binary puzzles, playlist for the ladder Sudokus. I have a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4-star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer Sudoku, and also the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We'll meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow on Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.